Hey guys, welcome back to Tsp Pink Salt. I hope you're all having a wonderful day, and if this is your first time with us, welcome to our kitchen. Today we are going to be keeping it super simple, easy. We're going to be making a classic, and that is my potato wedges. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to need, of course, are potatoes. So I'm using 6 russet potatoes, and that we're going to cut into wedges. Now we're going to be adding in our oil. I'm just using plain vegetable oil, along with pink salt, black pepper, and now we're just going to toss this until the potatoes are evenly coated. Once that's done, we're going to get out our baking sheet, and I am going to be coating it with some more vegetable oil just so they don't stick as they're baking. Alright, now we're going to pour on our potato wedges, and we're going to spread them out as evenly as possible. We want them to have their own space so that the heat can cook each potato and make it nice and crispy. And when they're done, they're going to come out just like this, beautiful golden brown, nice crispy exterior, soft and creamy interior. That's exactly what we are looking for. This looks so good, guys. All right, the last thing we're going to do, of course, is plate. So I'm going to be using this plate, and I left just enough space for my sauce. I'm just going to be using plain old ketchup today. And that's it, guys. It is that simple. This is my potato wedge recipe. I really hope you guys give it a try, and if you do, please let me know in the comments below. Share this recipe with a friend, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel. We put out new videos every single week, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you're notified every time we put out a new recipe. Until next time, guys, have a great day. Bye.